Hey everybody, how you doing? In this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 fastest ways to get clients, to get more clients as a hairstylist. How you doing? My name is Alex B. Jones, salon business coach and author of the Amazon best-selling book, The Six-Figure Salonpreneur. 8 easy steps to make $100,000 working 3 days a week or less. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 5 fastest ways to get more clients as a hairstylist. So as you know, guys, the number one thing you have to tackle as a business owner, someone who's self-employed, as a booth renter, or as a salon suite owner, probably the number one thing you have to tackle is, how do I actually get customers to my chair? How do I actually get customers to my salon so I can do provide them a wonderful service so they can become a client? No one is a client right at the very beginning. They are only a customer. It's your ability to get them to come back more often and to utilize you as their service provider. Then they actually become a client. So I'm going to share with you the 5 fastest ways to get more clients. Now, I'm going to start with number 5 first. Number 5 first. Believe it or not, number 5 is your old clients. Your old clients actually may be just waiting for a text message from you, a phone call from you, just to touch base to say, hey, I was thinking about you. I just wanted to give you a real quick call just to say hello, see how things are going with you, see how your family's going. You want to reach out to your old clients, because guess what? They may actually want to come back to you, but they're not sure how to do it. Or they might feel a little bit embarrassed, or they might be afraid of what you might say or what you might think about them. So you would actually be surprised how many of your old clients might actually be waiting for a gentle nudge, phone call, text, or tweet from you to let them know, hey, I was thinking about you. I would love to see you come back in again. This is an opportunity for you to share with your old clients something you may be doing new or something you may be doing different in your salon. So old clients are actually a great source of people to get that you might want to talk to get them to actually come back and utilize your services. So old clients. Number 4. A referral bribe, right? This is actually where you just straight up pay people to refer customers to your salon. Guess what? One of the best sources might actually be your old clients. I can't tell you how many people actually don't come to me as old clients or former clients, but guess what? They are still referring people to me. So, and it may be that they're looking for something different, or they want an entirely different service that I don't provide. In any case, your old clients can be a great source of new referral business. So I would say, hey, create a bribe where you just straight up pay people, right, for referring customers to you who they think would be a good fit. And you might want to consider doing a challenge, having a challenge. You might want to talk to your current clients to say, hey, whoever refers the most clients to you, get X, Y, and Z. Everybody who refers one client gets X, Y, and Z. Anybody who refers 3 clients or more, get X, Y, and Z, right? If you can make this as rich as you want to, and it can be as rewarding as you want. But guess what? Just straight up paying people a bribe for referring clients might be the fastest way for you to get more clients. Number three, the third fastest way is with email marketing. Email marketing. You'll be very surprised how many people you may actually have in your cell phone who are actually on your email list, right? How many people have you forgotten about who you may have email addresses for? People that you have business cards from, and maybe you just transferred it over into your email marketing system. So if you have a list of people's email addresses, hey, you know what? Shooting out a real quick email message, a promotion, or some type of e-blast might be one of the quickest ways for you to be able to get new customers into your salon, or might be a way to get some of those old clients back into your chair as well. One of the things I may also add, email marketing, guys, it is so critical and so important that you are building your email list. As people say in the online marketing world, your money is in the list. So your ability to build an email list is extremely, extremely important. Why? Let me just give you one example. What if Instagram, Facebook decides to flag your account or ban your account or suspend it or put it on hold? Guess what? All the relationships and all the people, all the likes and all the followers you have on the social media platform will suddenly be what? Wiped out, gone away. But guess what? Not if you have their email address. So you want to make sure that if you're using any type of social media platform to build relationships, to get likes and followers, people who like your fan page, make sure that you're doing something to get their email addresses as well, and you are building up that list offline, right? All right, so that's number three. Number two, you may want to put together a video playlist. A video playlist. Okay, what am I talking about here? First of all, video is perhaps, besides talking to someone in person, video is probably the next best way for people to get to know who you are and get a feel for the kind of person you are. People can often get a sense of, do I really like this person or don't I like this person? And they can, get a sense of that through video. So if you don't have an opportunity to actually meet or talk to someone face to face, video is a great way for you to communicate who you are and what you do. All right. So that's number one. Number two, a video playlist. If you have a website, you can actually create a series of videos, right, that actually explains who you are, what you actually do, and why what you do is uniquely different from your competition, and why they should be doing business with you. Those are actually the three videos you should be creating. Your who, what, and why video. And a fourth video is what I say how. So this is where you actually get a chance to demonstrate or show your, unique thing, the thing that you are especially good at, right? So you want to create a video that shares who you are, right? What you do, why what you do is uniquely different, and why they should want to do business with you. And you want to showcase your number one service, your number one, two services that you provide. Show them exactly what you do. Show them exactly what you do, right? And what you can do is you can string these videos together in a playlist on YouTube or on your website. Okay? And now, when you actually meet someone and you have a chance to either get their email address, share your contact information with them, or you're out networking, guess what? Now what you can do is you can ask them for their telephone number or their email address, and then you can send them a link to your video playlist either on YouTube or your website. Now that person gets a chance to actually watch this series of videos, and it really gives them a good, clear sense of who you are and what you do. That is a great way to get new people to actually find out who you are, get to know you, like what you do, and then trust that you are actually the person for them. All right? And then the number one way for you to get more customers and clients is through Facebook and Instagram ads. Guys, I can't tell you just how important it is that you begin to use Facebook and Instagram ads. Facebook and Instagram allows you to actually target the people that you want to do business with. This might be people who have certain interests or certain likes. This may be people who live in a certain geographic areas. This may be people who live in a certain mile radius around your business, right? There's so many different ways you can do it by age. You can do it by profession. You can do it by pages that they've liked or interests that they have. You can tag different behaviors even, right? There's so many different ways that you can tag and single out people, and you can put an ad for your services in front of people who are your ideal customers and your ideal clients. And you can do this, guys, for as little as $1 a day. For as little as $1 a day, you can actually get your message out to people who are the exact people that you want to do business with, both through Facebook and Instagram ads. So guys, if you're not using that, let me tell you, you are really missing out. And the great thing about it, you can string a number of these things together. You can have your Facebook ad or Instagram ad, and then you can actually direct people to your video playlist, okay? Or you can have a Facebook and Instagram ad. You can actually have some type of offer that's valuable or value to them, right? And they can just put in their email address to get whatever it is that you're offering. That gives you a chance to build up your email list, right? And then you can come back and you can share with them your video playlist, right? So there are so many different ways that you can link these 5 things together to be able to build your salon business quickly, effectively, and most important, cost effectively as well. So hey guys, if you have any questions about any of these things, I'd love to hear from you. You can reach me at alex@alexbjones.com, or you can connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, or you can watch any more of my other videos here on YouTube as well. All right, so there you have it. Take care, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. And if you'd like for me to help you with any part of this, I'd absolutely love to. All right, take care. All right, see you next time.